Okay, got about 10 new cars we put on the lot this morning. Let's walk around and show them all. All right, about that time. Let's get it. Guys, welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. In today's lot walk, we got 10 new cars. The 55, 56 models on the front row. Got the Mustang sitting over here. Got a Chevelle back over there in the corner. And of course, we do this every Monday, so check the date and check maplemotors.com to make sure these cars are still available. Usually once I list them on Monday, they are typically sold by Wednesday or Thursday. Those of y'all that have been watching, you understand what I'm talking about and you've seen it. Check us out. We've been here about 40 years. We've got financing and shipping. We got 100 detailed pictures. We've got test drives of every ride that comes through. Well, we try to get them all. And of course we get 15 cars a week, but we can only list about 10 because 5 of them will sell before I can post them. So we're gonna walk the whole lot. Let's go ahead and get started here. At 13.9, 1952 model Corvette. Got it sitting up here on the front row. Pretty good shape. Right next to that, a 1967 model Fastback Mustang 47.9. That test drive's coming out today as well. We've got the 1956 model set up as a gasser. It's a Bel Air 409 4-speed 25.9. It's pretty radical. This car was fun to test drive here. Called the Bad Apple. Right next to that, 1956 model Bel Air 28.9. This one right here is one of my favorite from the update. I love the color combo. It's very clean inside and out. A 1956 model 210 at 42.9. Beautiful car. I'd say that's my favorite, but right next to it, it's just got the sweet color combo, green and white. It's a 55 210. Here lately, I've been growing very fond of these models. I've always liked them, and I don't know, I'm starting to get an itch for them, I guess. At 32.9, got the 55. We came across the front row there. We got quite a few rides up here that are new. Guys, check out the merchandise. We've got some shirts, some cups, all kinds of different stuff below in the description. So go below and check it out. Uh-oh. Must be a fire sale. 68 Corvette, convertible. This is matching number car, 4-speed at 25.9. And of course, right next to that, new inventory, 1970 Nova. This was 25.9. Any cars that you do see in the background that I do not mention are not for sale. A lot of them are customers' rides. I will mention them for sure if they are available. This one right here, 1979 Camaro at 16.9. All right, not 100% sure why we don't have a price on this one at the moment. 73 Camaro. I will have it updated on the website I don't know why he didn't put it on the windshield before the walk around, and sorry about that. But the website is currently not updated, so I can't look it up without going inside and telling you the price. Maybe when I walk through one more time, I'll get one and throw it up for you. Just check maplemotors.com at any point. You can see the detailed pictures and pricing and a bio about each car. What about a 1963 Nova convertible? This thing is pretty sweet. They got custom interior in it, runs and drives good at $25,900, and that video will be coming out today. I've already done it. What about a 1974 Plymouth Scamp? $14,900. All right, guys, I got a handful of cars that I haven't showed you yet, and I will be right back. We're going to go into Pops' Hot Wheels room. This one's already sold. We sold it before we could list it. It was going on Monday. It's one of those that took off before I could do anything with it, but I did get the video, so I will put the video out just to show off the car. I had it done before it sold, so hey, if I'm gonna spend 3 hours making it, I'll show you what we got in. 1969 El Camino. Check out Pops' Hot Wheels room whenever you come to Maple Motors. Got plenty of collectibles in here, and he updates it every week. You can also go to Jim Fight's Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube. We're a family business, so my little sister will come up and she'll make a couple videos of this room, and I'll kind of help her put it together, trying to give her full reins, teach her how to make videos here, and she's doing pretty good. So go check her out, support her, support the channel, Jim Fight's Hot Wheels channel. Of course, right below in the description, you can pick up any kind of local housing from my wife, Bree Southgate. Go check her out, shoot her an email, or look at Bree Southgate Realty on YouTube here. You can see the newest videos we put out. There's a house available in Clarksville, just popped up. Got another personal ride going on this week. This is Pat's. It's a 1971 Chevelle at $32,900. So yeah, we did pick up some Chevelles at the last minute. That seems to happen a lot. We end up getting cars over the weekend when we're closed, believe it or not. And yeah, we'll be doing a test drive on it. This one hasn't been done yet. And of course at $12,900 with a big block, we got a Biscayne sitting back here. I believe this is a 1967 model. Go check it out. Video is out. Look under playlist to see cars currently available. On this other side here, we've got a whole left portion of the car lot. This Nova sold last week. This Chevelle's already sold as well. And this Monte Carlo is out of here. Some previous inventory that you've seen over the last week or so. But this one we just picked up. Of course, 1968 T-Bird at $14,900. And again, we do wash the cars up here all the time overnight with the springtime pollen coming in. They get nasty. And of course, we got overnight rains that pop up all the time here in Tennessee. If you've noticed, a lot of times it's raining in these videos. That's just Tennessee weather for you. 1970 Impala at $22,900. And of course, right next to that, another new car from the update at $25,900. You got a 1970 Chevelle. Two Chevelles have popped on this week. Y'all been asking for them. We're trying to provide them. And the video's done, so you can see the test drive. Right on next to the Chevelle 1976 Cutlass. This one's at $11,900. And then this was sold before I could list it. There's a beautiful 67 Chevelle. What's left still in the lot, you know, we had 15 cars that come in every week. Like I said, we sell 5 before I can list them. That's just one of them. El Camino was another one. And the other 3, they're already gone. So just to glance back over the whole entire car lot one more time with the 52 Coronet at $13,900. And guys, check out a bio. We have it on maplemotors.com. You can see what we've been doing for the last 39 years. That's my uncle right there. We are all family. 67 Mustang Fastback. What was that, 47.9?
Yeah.
And then the 56 Bel Air. Well, the 409. 25.9, 4-speed car. '56 Bel Air. 28.9. Got 2 of them side by side. And then the 55. That's a pretty hard choice there. I love the color combo on both of these. I love that this one's a 55. Absolutely nothing wrong with a 56. That's a hard choice there. Which one would y'all pick if you had to? Coming down this side, 68 Corvette convertible, matching number 4-speed car. Is at 25.9. Got the old 70 Nova, just came in at 25.9. And the 79 Camaro at 16.9. The 73 Camaro. Again, they didn't have, it may not even go on. This may be like one of those sneak peek cars. No information there right now. Maybe popping up next week. Probably. 63 Nova, 25.9. Drop top, custom interior. Nice paint job. Fresh inside. Let's see if it's open. '74 Plymouth Scamp, 14.9. And then of course the old 69 El Camino that's sold before I could list it. Walking on back here a little bit. At 12.9 with the big block 67 Biscayne. I believe this was 32.9 to the 71 Chevelle. Pat's personal. Matching interior. Got 3 sold cars sitting here that we had last week that are gone now. Same with the Monty. Old T-Bird here at 14.9. That's a 68 model. $22.9. Got the 70 model Impala. '70 model Chevelle sitting here at $25.9. At $11.9, you got the 76 model Cutlass. And then of course we sold the Chevelle. All right, guys. We've walked around the lot. Let's go ahead and show you some of the personal rides. We'll show you some of the stuff that sold last week that I got out back under the awning. Again, check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping, detailed pictures, and here on YouTube you can see test drives of all of these vehicles. We pick up about 15 a week. We list 10. It ends up being that way every week. And of course you got Pops' Hot Wheels room. You got my wife over here on the other hand, got a bunch of houses for sale. Check out her YouTube channel, Pops' YouTube channel. And of course we got personal rides next door we can glance at before we leave you today. We'll start on over here. Got the old GMC Suburban with Maple Motors decor all over it. Got the old Impala. Got a beautiful look. Loving it. Y'all seen Pops' ride, old 55. It's in good shape. He drives it almost every day. LS motor. Got the conversion. It's got AC, but he never cuts it on. Literally. Just doesn't use it. He's old school, that's for sure. Suburban's pretty cool though. I like it. It's got a set of 4 Giottos on it. 454. That's a pusher right there. That thing's in good shape. Monster. And then I just got this last week. I think y'all seen it the day I got it in one of the videos. The 71 Camaro, matching numbers. AC car.
That's the dude that does the videos.
Oh yeah.
He's a rock star.
I appreciate it. And as we come on back here, show you a little bit of the sold section before we leave you today. So this is all sold cars here. We're just waiting for shipment. 71 Chevelle. Got the green 69 C10. So a 39 and a 66 GTO. Getting dusty. Time to wash them. Time to wash them. Oh, Camaro Duster. Camaro. Another C10 sitting over there. This old 74 Charger. And of course the old Plymouth. We're rocking out of here. With that being said, guys, I do appreciate you. It helps me out quite a bit if you hit subscribe and share this video. I keep making the test drives for you. Try to be informative, being an honest salesman here. I know that's hard to believe sometimes, but that's the way we roll. Got 31.9 over here on this one. I think that one's already sold though. Back available. Oh, what the guy coming from Texas?
He may not. He'll be here today.
Yeah, he'll be here today. 37 Ford Coupe available at the moment. Guys coming from Texas probably end up with it. This is a beautiful car. Not too bad. I'm glad he showed up. Y'all got to see one more that's available today. Well, for a little bit. Guys, again, thank you for watching. You know I have to say it though. maplemotors.com. Finance and shipping, detailed pictures, and every Monday I'll give you 10 cars. I don't have too many test drives to do today because I'm pretty caught up, but I think I'm going to do Pat's Chevelle, which I haven't done yet. And I didn't get a chance to do the blue and white 56. So I guess that's what I'm going to jump on. And I'll see you next week. Later, guys.